Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we discuss chapter number 3, protein for pharmacy technician. MCQs number 1. Lipids are which type of substance? Option A, organic. Option B, inorganic. Option C, amphoteric. Option D, none. Answer is organic. Second one, which element is present in protein? Option A, sulfur. Option B, phosphorus. Option C, nitrogen. Option D, chlorine. Answer is nitrogen. Third one, protein is made up of. Option A, glucose. Option B, fatty acid. Option C, nucleic acid. Option D, amino acid. Answer is option D, amino acid. Next, protose means. Option A, first. Option B, supreme. Option C, both. Option D, none. Answer is both. HCl into NH2 COOH is the formula of. Option A, glycine. Option B, proline. Option C, valine. Option D, aniline. Answer is glycine. Sixth one, proteins are present in. Option A, cytoplasm. Option B, cell membrane. Option C, both. Option D, none. Answer is both. Bean nuts pulse contain dash protein. Option A, 20%. Option B, 30%. Option C, 40%. Option D, 50%. Answer is 20%. Eighth one, enzymes are dash in nature. Option A, protein. Option B, carbohydrates. Option C, lipids. Option D, nucleic acid. Answer is proteins. 9. Hormones regulate the process. Option A, chemical. Option B, other process. Option C, none. Option D, both. Answer is both. Breakdown of protein in amino acid is known as. Option A, deamination. Option B, carboxylation. Option C, animation. Option D, oxidation. Answer is deamination. Dash is released and different compounds are formed. Option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, NH3. Option C, RCOOH. Option D, CO. Answer is NH3. Protein is an dash part of viruses. Option A, integral. Option B, non-integral. Option C, both. Option D, none. Answer is integral. 13th, dash and dash are protein in nature. Option A, antibodies. Option B, interferon. Option C, both. Option D, none. Answer is both. The supply of dash and dash is regulated by dietary protein. Option A, sulfur. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, both. Option D, none. Answer is both. 15. 1 gram of dietary protein contains. Option A, 41 kilocalories. Option B, 41 1000 calories. Option C 51,000 calories. Option D A plus B. Answer is A plus B. A and B दोनों option. 16. Which type of protein is taken as three-dimensional shape? Option A primary. Option B secondary. Option C tertiary. Option D quaternary. True option is C option tertiary. 17th. Final shape of tertiary protein is option A globe. Option B irregular. Option C both. Option D none. Answer is both. Which type of forces are in protein? Option A intermolecular forces. Option B covalent bond. Option C both. Option D none. Answer is both.